Good morning, Unity family. Once again back on site here in the new addition. At the north door in the main hallway of the new addition, you can see we're getting the final coat on the paint. We've got all the lights in, waiting for the ceiling tile, but have got most of the flooring in this section of the facility. We also have carpet in on the small classrooms on the east side. As I walk down the hallway here, you can also see that we're getting flooring and tile all in the new single bathrooms. The nursery here is getting close to completion. We've got the carpet in and the closet doors, everything working towards that end, and walking down towards the south end of the new addition. You can see the hallway, all the flooring's in. The flooring is in the two classrooms down at this end, and also in the main handicap bathroom that also has the shower. As we walk around, you can see that in the existing facility, we've got all the walls up. The wallboard is up along with all the plaster, just waiting for that to dry. You can hear the fans in the background. And we're getting all the electrical work done now in the new kitchen. So that's coming into fruition. We should see that complete here by the end of the week. I'm very excited about getting this section closed in so that we can start getting the finishes, the cabinetry, and the appliances in. Have a great day. Thanks.